Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're tackling a common issue after updating to iOS 18. How to fix macro or 0.5 zoom not working on your iPhone. If your ultra-wide or macro photography features suddenly stopped working, these simple solutions should get you back to shooting perfect photos. First, let's try the simplest fix, restarting your camera app. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to see all your open apps. Find the camera app and swipe it up to close completely. Then reopen it and check if your zoom works now. If that doesn't help, try restarting your entire iPhone. Just hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears, then slide to turn off. Wait a moment and turn it back on. Next, let's check your lens correction settings. Open Settings, scroll to Camera, and look for Lens Correction. Toggle this off temporarily to see if it resolves your zoom issues. Sometimes this feature can interfere with the ultra-wide lens. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If there's an update available, install it immediately, as Apple often fixes camera bugs in updates. As a more thorough solution, you can reset all settings. In Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or data, just reset system preferences to default. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful iPhone troubleshooting guides like this one.